Responding to blame shifting. Strategies for effective communication. Blame shifting is a common tactic used to deflect responsibility and shift the focus away from one's own actions or mistakes. When faced with blame shifting, it's essential to respond effectively to maintain healthy communication, build trust, and resolve issues. In this article, we'll explore the dynamics of blame shifting, its impact on relationships, and provide strategies for responding to blame shifting. Understanding blame shifting. Blame shifting is a behavior where an individual deflects responsibility for their actions or mistakes by blaming someone or something else. This can be done intentionally or unintentionally, and it can manifest in various ways, such as 1. Denial. Denying any wrongdoing or responsibility for a problem. 2. Deflection. Shifting the focus away from one's own actions and onto someone or something else. 3. Minimization. Downplaying the severity or impact of one's actions. 4. Projection. Attributing one's own thoughts, feelings, or behaviors to someone else. The impact of blame shifting. Blame shifting can have a significant impact on relationships, communication, and personal growth. Some of the consequences of blame shifting include 1. Eroding trust. Blame shifting can damage trust and credibility, making it challenging to build and maintain healthy relationships. 2. Stifling communication. Blame shifting can create a culture of defensiveness, making it difficult to have open and honest communication. 3. Hindering personal growth. By deflecting responsibility, individuals may miss opportunities for growth, learning, and self-improvement. Strategies for responding to blame shifting. When responding to blame shifting, it's essential to stay calm, assertive, and focused on the issue at hand. Here are some strategies for responding to blame shifting. 1. Stay calm and composed. Avoid getting defensive or emotional, as this can escalate the situation. 2. Acknowledge the issue. Recognize the problem or issue at hand, and express your commitment to resolving it. 3. Refocus on the facts. Gently steer the conversation back to the facts and evidence, rather than getting sidetracked by blame shifting. 4. Use I statements. Instead of accusing the other person, use I statements to express your thoughts and feelings. 5. Set clear boundaries. Clearly communicate your expectations and boundaries, and assertively reiterate them if necessary. 6. Seek solutions. Collaborate to find solutions and work towards a resolution. Effective communication techniques. Effective communication is critical when responding to blame shifting. Here are some communication techniques to help you respond effectively. 1. Active listening. Listen carefully to the other person, and acknowledge their perspective. 2. Empathetic understanding. Show empathy and understanding for the other person's feelings and concerns. 3. Clear and concise language. Use clear and concise language to express your thoughts and feelings. 4. Non-confrontational tone. Use a non-confrontational tone to avoid escalating the situation. Common blame shifting scenarios. Blame shifting can manifest in various scenarios, including 1. Workplace conflicts. Blame shifting can occur in workplace conflicts, where individuals may deflect responsibility for mistakes or project failures. 2. Personal relationships. Blame shifting can occur in personal relationships, where individuals may deflect responsibility for their actions or behaviors. 3. Team projects. Blame shifting can occur in team projects, where individuals may deflect responsibility for their contributions or lack thereof.